Well, hello, ALE peeps. This is Monty and Strawn here from Shadle, ALE. Here's what's happening. This is mainly geared toward the students that don't come into the building. The ones that come in the building, we have let them know, and we've been trying to work with them. Unfortunately, the district has decided that everybody's password needs to change to log into the computer. You've been using your last name and 4 digits and SPS, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org and your 8-digit birth date for years. In some cases, years we've been doing that. They are now changing it. So here we go. Student password change instructions. Below are the instructions on how to change your password and set up security questions to allow password reset if you forget your password. Before starting, think about how you use your new password. Okay? See step 4 in the requirements and tips for creating a secure password. Okay? At least 10 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, at least one number and or special character. Tips for creating a secure password that you can remember. So if you were in the classroom, Mr. Strawn and I are actually giving people 3x5 cards to write down their new password. All right, so here we go. Change a password. How do I get here? Control, Alt, Delete. So if I hit Control, Alt, Delete, okay, I'm going to change a password. I'm going to click on that, okay? So once I click Change a Password, it's going to open up your username. Your username is your email address. Last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org. Your old password. In most cases, it's your 8-digit birthday. New password. Okay? As soon as you know what your new password is, now remember, 10 characters, 1 capital, at least 1 lowercase, at least 1 number and or special character. Okay? Now, once you do that, okay, setting up password recovery. Okay? As soon as you do that and you hit enter, it's going to have your new password. You're done. We want you to go further. Setting up password recovery questions because we all forget our passwords. I know I've done it. How do I retrieve it? Okay, now you've set up your new password. Then log out and log back into the computer with your new password. Programs such as OneDrive and Teams may ask you to log in with your new credentials. Okay, now if you ever forget your password, you can set up questions to answer and reset your password. Open up a browser, you go to office.com. Boom. Okay, once you go to office.com, oh, my bad. Okay, once you go to office.com, click on the avatar with your initials in the upper right hand corner to view account. Okay, so we go to office.com, your avatar, okay, my profile, view account, okay, view account from the menu. Click on security info on the left menu, okay, so security info, okay, view account. Security info, okay, add sign in method. Add sign in method and choose security questions from the drop down. For each question, the drop down, choose the answer. You must provide answers to 4 questions. Do not share your answers with anyone. Write those answers and questions down on your 3x5 card. Click done when you've completed. Clever Portal. When using the Clever Portal to various applications, the portal remembers your previous passwords for many of your applications. When you click on the icon, you may see the following prompt. Click Update Login. Okay, then click the blue button to go to the application. You will need to do this 1 time for each application. So every time you click on something, you're going to log in, but it'll remember you. Okay? All right, so we're going to send this out. Monte and Strawn will be giving each of you a call that we didn't see in the classroom in order for this, because the next thing you know, you're not going to be able to log in. Okay? Now, let's see. If you forget your password, we have some instructions. And student password reset instructions. If we end up with troubles, there are other things we can go through to help, see if we can help you get back logged in. All right? So hopefully the first page is all you're going to need. That's what we're going to start with. Thanks for chatting. Please let us know if you're successful. Monty signing out. Bye.